What do you think?
Spot.
All right, I'm using this yellow color Rooster Tail. This is a brand new spot. I'm gonna try to sneak up on the trout. It looks deep enough. All right, now I'm gonna try to hit over there. Oh, I got stuck. Yeah, I just didn't catch anything there, but that spot right there looks pretty good. Okay, well, I haven't gotten skunked so far. What I'm looking for is some pockets, especially right after a rapid. This little spot looks good.